My name is Simon Liu and I'm a residential realtor in Vancouver, BC with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Realty. Today, we're going to show you how to put up curtain rods. Before we begin, we're going to need to assemble all the parts and tools that we need. For this project, we're going to need a level, a drill, a stud finder, measuring tape, painter's tape, a pen or a marker, anchors for in case you want to go outside of the frame, and a step ladder. For the parts, we have the curtain rod, brackets, and a set of curtains. The first step of putting up a curtain rod is to decide the location of the brackets. For this size window, we're going to use 3 brackets. There's going to be one in the middle and then one on each end. It's important to understand how the frame of the window actually is constructed so that you know where to drill. On top of the window, there's a header, and that's a solid piece of wood. It's about 3 or 4 inches thick. On the side of the window, we have the studs, and then underneath we got the sill. We don't need to worry about the bottom, but we're only going to concentrate on the top. So at the very top, if you drill it as close to the bottom of the frame as possible, you're definitely going to hit solid wood, and you do not need anchors. On the side, you've got about 1.5 inches. If we get within that area, we do not need anchors as well. If you want to go further up, then you will have to consider anchors, and we'll need to use our stud finder. First step, let's find center. So we're going to measure the window opening. That's an 82-inch wide, which means we're going to need to find the center at 41 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to peel this tape off. Just going to put the first screw in. It's important to keep it level, so now that we're leveled, we can mark the second one on the bottom. Alright, the next step is to get the corner of the bracket, so I'm just going to use a stud finder to see how much space we have. So we're probably going to start right around here. So it's going to be a little tricky. We're going to put the side of the bracket up and we're going to level it. And actually we're going to, it's a little bit easier on us by shortening our rod first. What we're doing is we're going to use the level support. And I'm just going to mark one of these holes. I'm going to use the bottom one. For the next part, because we already put this one up, we want it to be equal on the other side. We're going to measure and just get an approximate, as close as we can, is 1.25 inches. We're going to start 1.25 inches on that side. Have the curtain rod up now. And that last step of this is to take the rod down and loop the curtains through and then put it back up for final check. There we've got curtains. Yeah, so as you can see, the project was very simple, easy to do, and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.